I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Gladysleebusinessinq, and I am back with another video. So today's vlog is going to consist of me getting my hair done, okay? I'm going to be getting a deep wave frontal wig installed. My first frontal wig install ever. I've had a frontal as in a sew-in, but I've never had it in a wig version. So I'm real big on taking my hair off at night if it's a wig. I'm real big on having to take it off for my comfortability. I hope that's a word. Yeah, that word.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Y'all know what I'm talking about. And I'm real big on just being comfortable when I go to sleep. So I don't know how I'm gonna feel. I haven't had to sleep with a wig on in so long, if I have at all, to be honest. I don't think I have. No, I definitely haven't. So this is gonna be my first time. So y'all gonna come with me to get my hair done. She's located in Dallas. Her suite is so beautiful. The building is so beautiful. I can't wait to show y'all the decorations, the interior. It's all lavender, and I love lavender. I love lavender scent. So I just love how it's, I don't know, I just feel like fancy when I go in there. So y'all are gonna see exactly what I'm talking about once we get there, because I for sure am going to be recording. If y'all hear anything in the back, it's my dog in his kennel. He's making a lot of extra noise because I'm talking and I sound excited, because I am. So he's getting excited too in his kennel. So just ignore that. But right now, I'm about to wash my hair. Probably gonna run a few errands. I'm not gonna record that because I specifically want this vlog to be about getting my hair done and my experience there. So maybe another time. I may do like a hair care another time, full blown get ready with me another time, but not in this video. So stay tuned for that type of content as well, because I'm going to be coming with that content as well. And I also want to do a quick Lorvay haul too as well, but I don't know when I'm going to do it. That's at the Lorvay glasses. I can't talk. The Lorvay sunglasses. I have 3 pairs that I just got, so I want to show you those. But yeah, stay tuned for my next video. Whenever I come back and I'm in this setting, y'all gonna see my hair. Y'all probably won't be until tonight, because it's currently like 1:40 p.m. and my appointment isn't until 6:20 tonight. But the suite stays open 24/7. So she has a key to it, so I can stay there, get all the content I need. She's gonna get content from me as well. So it's just gonna be an amazing time. It's gonna be like a little girls thing, like, I'm so excited. So I'll see y'all later whenever I come back on here, getting my bald cap and all that on there. Y'all see. Just stay tuned, y'all. Just stay tuned. Hey cousins. So I made it to my appointment. I'm in the car right now. I'm gonna head in. Just wanted to touch bases with y'all before we start. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna vlog a little bit. I've got my face beats because we're both planning on making content. I just can't wait for y'all to go in and y'all see the beautiful interior. Y'all finna get all of this content today. So I'm headed in, and I'll see y'all whenever we get inside. Bye.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Till I feel the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it?
Alright y'all, so I'm inside. I'm just waiting for her to finish up her last client, and then I am next. But y'all see the interior behind me? It's so cute. It's so cute. The lighting is everything. Of course, I have my own little lighting fixtures up, just so y'all can see me a little bit more clear, because it's a bit dark right now. But I look so pretty. I look so pretty. I'm Brat's doll. What's a Barbie? What's a Barbie? I'm Brat's, period. So I'm just ready to get slayed. Just waiting my turn patiently. see my eye twitch? Oh my. Oh. That's how you know I'm crazy. I can't help it. I can't help it. It's gonna twitch. But y'all still stick around. I'll be in the room here in a second. And I'll see y'all when I get in. Period. So as y'all can see, she is currently braiding me down. If you know the ball cap method, then you know this is the first step to a flawless install. Then y'all see her adding the magical coochie juice. This helps your hair grow, I'm telling y'all. So right here, she's brushing my edges back with edge control. So whenever she applies the ball cap, my edges are protected. And whenever I take it off, I still got my edges. Yo, look at me. I'm just the cutest little chicken head ever. Look at me, Baddie.
Taking notes on my keyboard. What you bothering me for? There's a room full of niggas. What you following me for? Say the fucking thing.
This contraption right here, baby, had my eyes, head, ears, and all of that burning.
Skirt, skirt, all niggas. Skirt up, all niggas. Skirt down, you acting like me. Acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour.
Alright, what's up, y'all? So right now, I'm taking me a little food break. Just got me some Mickey D's real quick. Y'all know, well, I don't love McDonald's, but when it's something quick and fast, McDonald's is my go-to. And it's only this open right now. It's currently 10:10. We're still doing my hair. Oh, this tastes like battery acid. But have me some. Got me a Big Mac. I haven't had one in so long. I just wanted a burger.
He fucking that shit up.
I'm already full. So once we're done eating, I'll head back inside and I'll continue to record. Right now, where my hair is being melted, the lace is melting right now. So I'll see y'all here in a little bit.
Problem, oh no. Skirt, skirt on beaches, don't know these features. Big dirt on beaches, do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my lady. Dated a few.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me like my side of the road. That's that most city, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to get me high, you don't want no one beside you. You like when I make fire, you say the flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. That's a kiss, only thing that's the whip. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel. So why you bother me, why you bother me?
At this point, I was in love with my hair, and she didn't even have to continue if she didn't want to, because yes, install is giving flat. It's giving Scalpiana. It's so cute. For my ladies, if you know that face right there, you know.
but you guessed it.
Oh Lord. Again.
Nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you.
A few minutes later.
I'm chasing me, nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time, but you caught up over me, nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Go tell your friends about it. Tell them about it. What you know, what you say, now you wishing you was with me, living life so true.
At this point, I was ready to go, but I was in love with my hair.
When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know. Cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl, let's skip the basics. Whoa, no.
Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. So instead I went with a different wig. I went with this. It's still a frontal. Now sleeping with it, not being able to take it off at night, pray for me, because I like to be bald-headed at night. But I hope y'all like this content. It took a while, but this is the finished product and I'm so happy and I love it. 10 out of 10. Oh my god, I look like this is like a that girl hairstyle. This gives me that girl. Like, who is she? Oh, she's that girl. Are you think you fine? Who are you? Oh, that girl. You know? Like, yeah, giving real feminine energy, real girly vibes, like real grown, sexy. Like, this is a look. This is the look. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this content. Hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And if you do enjoy this kind of content, make sure you click the bell icon so whenever I post another video, you, my cousin, are notified about it. And with that being said, thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I appreciate y'all. Y'all have done numbers on my old videos, and I appreciate y'all so much. So much. Bad don't cry. But I'll see y'all in my next video. Y'all stay tuned next Wednesday at noon. I'll see y'all then. Bye.